I didn't grow up going to church a lot, but in high school thought, yeah, youth ministry sounds interesting. So I decided to go to college for that. And then while I was teaching on Sunday morning in my Sunday school class, realizing I was asking questions the students really didn't care about, because it wasn't about teenage things. And I realized I really enjoyed what my professors were doing and that I wanted to do more of that. And that started this very long journey until I became a professor. In the New Testament, I realized I could study how the Old Testament is used in the New. So this became a way that I could do both. And that was sort of the deciding factor. Plus, I just really like the Gospels, and I chose to work on John because it's the weird gospel. One of the things that really drew me actually was the sense of community of this place, and in particular, the initial convocation that we have. So commissioning day was very important for me, and the way that we acknowledge all of our students' calls. They don't have to prove who they are. They come as they are, and we trust them that God has called them, and we are excited to help nurture them and equip them as they seek to fulfill that calling. My students think I'm extremely extroverted, but I'm only extroverted in the classroom. And if they see me in real life, I'm like, yeah, I am actually an academic, and I like books and I like quiet. But when I'm teaching, I get very animated and excited. I love to just see students discover new things about Scripture, especially if it's a passage they've read or heard preached a bunch of times, just to watch them realize that they can interpret and they can find meaning, and that it's not an impossible thing. The other thing that I do, like not directly here, I guess, but I don't, since I don't serve in a church other than being a member of a church and helping out, I write a lot. So I connect my ministry through writing. So I see my ministry as teaching, counseling students, working with students, and then through writing all sorts of different types of works.